The police are seeking the public assistance to recapture one of the 8 prisoners who escaped from the Hunts Bay Police Station lockup, St. Andrew, last Sunday, April 19. He is 31 years old, Mitchell Ellis of Ramsey Road, Kingston 13 and New Green District in Manchester. He is charged with illegal possession of firearm, illegal possession of ammunition and robbery. Police have turned themselves in over the past week. Police called Oliver R. Grimmy of Waltham Park Road, Kingston 11, was recaptured in Delapcree Park, St. Andrew on Friday, April 24. Turned himself in and are reminding family members, residents and associates of wanted persons that is an offense to harboring such individuals. Anyone with the information and the whereabouts of Mitchell Ellis is being asked to contact the Hunts Bay Police Station at 876-923-7111, the police 119 emergency number Crime Stop at 311, or the nearest police station.